got a big one. Let's have a look. Oh jeez, this ain't good. You drive by, you can take a look for yourself. Oh, what's happening? Oh man, someone's having like an attack on the sidewalk. Oh no, motorcycle down. The dude wasn't even wearing a helmet. Ugh, idiot. I'm sorry, but it's horrible. Guys, he was on like a two-stroke off-road motorcycle. Oh God, it sucks. You never know about other drivers. That's the thing. Regardless of how safe you are, you gotta at least try to protect yourself. I know I'm not wearing gloves or like proper leg wear, but at least I got the full face helmet on. Jeez, that sucks. Oh man, that sucks for that guy. You gotta wear a freaking helmet. You can't trust these fools out here. Goodness gracious, you can't trust nobody. Oh, that's horrible. I know that guy. I'm an Indian. That's horrible. Dude. No, I can wait. I can wait. After seeing that, I'm gonna wait. Luckily, the guy was moving, but jeez. I didn't see too much blood. I'll have to take a look again. It sucks. But, yeah. You gotta wear a helmet, folks. You gotta wear a helmet. Doesn't matter if the laws say you don't need it. It's not for everyone else's safety. It's for yours. Jeez, that sucks. Dude was probably just going for a joyride, just like I'm doing. Be safe out there, guys. Be safe. 2 wheels, 4 wheels, any wheels, all wheels. Be safe. Alright, guys. I'll catch you later. Bye.